It looks like everything's set up for us to start the match in 3, 2, 1.
And we begin with Team 10-5-6-5 managing to lower themselves with their teammates 30-58. However, they are having trouble unhooking themselves.
30-58 struggling to free themselves, trying to pull the lander with them into the crater.
And Team 10-5-6-5 trying to extend the entirety of their robot to try to push that gold mineral. They managed to make contact, but I'm not quite sure if that counts, while both Red Alliance members toss themselves into their crater.
Driver, pick up your controller.
That looks like a pretty solid autonomous for the Red Alliance.
3, 2, 1.
But let's see how they play in the teleop phase. 30-58 is going to try and free themselves from that lander, and they do, getting to work on starting to push those minerals into their depot.
It seems that Team 30-58 is trying to be aggressive as the Red Alliance did not claim their depot. It seems he's trying to deny his opponents of all the minerals he can.
10-5-6-5 having some technical issues, but it does seem like their bot's got a little bit of life in it.
And it looks like Red Alliance team member 9470 manages to put a silver mineral into the lander.
Team 11-170 looks like they're trying to get this gold mineral where they want it to be, but they did seem to have some issues.
Seems that Team 10-5-6-5 is unfortunately stuck on the lander as one of the Red Alliance members attempts to play offense against Team 30-58, but they are just not having it today. Mama Bear protects her cubs, and in this case, her minerals.
30-58 really is keeping doubled down on that depot, trying to prevent 11... Oh, wow, they're really pushing at it. 11-170 trying to get at those minerals. 30-58 pushing them all into that corner. Definitely trying to prevent them getting at them. 10-5-6-5 still dead on the field, just hanging out right next to that lander. Let's see if they come back to life to pull themselves up near the end game. Which is here. It looks like every single team is trying to get themselves lined up so that they can hang. Some teams are struggling, though. Those hooks are pretty hard to get on sideways, but it's starting to happen.
Team 30-58 manages to wedge their way in there as they hoist themselves up as Endgame has 6 seconds left.
9470 just waiting there. They can't lift with enough force to bring themselves off the ground. Solid thunk at the end of the match there. Pretty good show from all these teams here today.
Quite is. And we have the winners from Qualification 10 with the Red Alliance winning with 236 points. Again, autonomous being key.
No kidding.